My hubby and I just booked our first Princess cruise, and we are leaving the kids behind. What should we expect?
That's the 20th question we're going to answer today in this series of Sailor Support. So, whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, come aboard with us as we help you navigate the choppy waters of the cruise line industry and answer your burning questions from around the world.
We're sailing on the Regal Princess in March 2024. Balcony room 7 days, stopping in Costa Maya, Roatan, and Cozumel. My husband and I are in our mid-40s, active, and not bringing the kids. We have our passports. We've purchased the Princess Plus drinks package and have so far booked one excursion in Cozumel. I'm kind of obsessed with rays and really want to swim with them and pet them. We're wanting to do Mayan Ruins in Costa Maya and are open to suggestions in Honduras. I'm also very curious about using the Medallion app, scheduling dining, what to do on board during sea days, and what to pack for the more formal stuff. Honestly, any advice, tips, ideas, etc. are very welcome. Reddit suggested this sub for me shortly after we booked the trip, and I've been avidly following since. Thank you in advance.
Since you have the drink package, skip bringing the bottle of wine on board in your carry-on. It'll end up just sitting in your room untouched. Instead, use that space for a good thermos or Stanley cup. You'll appreciate that cold water at 2 a.m. or first thing in the morning. Feel like a king and queen with room service breakfast, especially if you're having to get up early for an excursion. It may cost around $10 per delivery, not per item like at a restaurant. It's so relaxing being able to get ready in your room and simply have breakfast and coffee delivered to you.
Princess has 2 show times for every theater event, every night. For the 7:30 show, you'd need a 5 to 5:30 reservation. Service can take 90 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how many are at your table. We had 6:20 reservations and were done in time for whatever the 8 o'clock game show was, and then the second theater show. Definitely make reservations on the app ahead of time. Formal nights aren't that formal anymore, ranging from khakis and polo shirts for men and pants, tops and sundresses for women, to full-on tucks and long gowns. Very few of the latter, a lot in between. Sea days have things going on all day. Also, you'll have great weather, so pool time.
The usual, fly in the day before if possible, in case of flight delays and cancellations. Don't feel bad about making special requests. Some people never even see the main dining room, but I suggest going at least once to see if you like it. If you like to see the shows, I think early dining is usually recommended. Verandas are super nice. On sea days, there's no shortage of stuff to do. You'll generally get the following day's itinerary every evening so you can see what the onboard events are. Even if nothing looks interesting, just grab a drink from a bar and wander around.
Find the Facebook group for this cruise, probably after the new year. People plan all sorts of events, 80s nights, tea parties, veterans brunch. You'll get the inside scoop and be able to plan onboard fun.
My main advice is to go to the main dining room for embarkation day lunch. They'll steer you to the buffet, but that will be a zoo. Have a nice relaxing lunch in a beautiful main dining room, and then go explore the ship until your room is ready.
We did the Cozumel Mayan Ruins on a Labor Day cruise. It was a great tour, but humid and hot. It was combined with the Bacalar Lagoon excursion. Both are recommended.
If you don't like saggy paper straws, bring your own.
Cozumel Mayan Ruins is a fantastic excursion, although scary if you go right to the top. If you're stopping at Princess Cays, the ray petting there is really fun. Honduras has the jungle horseback riding, which ends in the water. You can take the horses out deep, almost to swimming. So fun.
We've gathered fantastic first-timer tips for the Regal Princess, and now it's your turn. Have you had unforgettable moments at a cruise port or insider tips on dining and the Medallion app? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.